This journal tag is made with both a light molding paste and the Crackle paste. I'm running low on both products, so I've combined them, and I thought I'd share with you how I put this tag together. So I start off with a blank tag, and then I go ahead and randomly place some ephemera or scraps of cardboard and other pieces of embellishment that I want as the background. And then I'll go ahead and do the same method I did with the Crackle paste, except this time the paste will be the light molding paste that I put down first. Once that's dried, then I will put the Crackle paste on top of it. So here's a blank tag, and here's some of the background scraps of cardboard and tissue paper and just miscellaneous that will go onto this tag as a background. I'll go ahead and glue all those pieces down onto the journal tag, and then it'll like something similar to this when I applied the molding paste. So once we add the molding paste, then we're going to add an oxide spray. I'm going to use this spray here, and that'll give the color to the yellow tag. And then we'll go ahead and put a layer of Crackle paste, and well, let's not get ahead of ourselves. Right now we're just going to go ahead with this step by adding the background pieces to this yellow tag and then putting some light molding paste on it. When I get this one caught up with this one, then we'll go ahead and spray them both at the same time, and once that's done, then we'll move on to the next step. See you in a bit. So I have a tag here, it's all dry and it's ready to be sprayed, and I'm going to use the vintage photo. Has to be shaken. And I know when I spray it, it's going to saturate the tag, and that's what I want. I don't want any of the yellow showing. And it doesn't matter because we're going to put a layer of Crackle paste and then another layer with the ephemera. So here we go. And that's what that looks like. So let's take a closer look. It gives that almost like a rusty look with the splatters. Now this next one, I thought we'd try out another oxide spray, and this one's walnut. So it's going to be darker. Turn this right side up. We'll see what this one looks like in comparison. that's what this one looks like. I like this one as well. Let's take a look at them side by side. Well, I think they look great. We'll go ahead and let them dry, and then we'll come back and add a layer of Crackle paste. So this is what it looks like with the Crackle paste added. We'll go ahead and let it dry and start to crackle. So then we'll add our ephemera, and that'll be fun. So I'll see you in a little bit. So these are the pieces that I've auditioned for the journal tag, and they're not attached, but that's what I'm going to use on that side, and then this on the other side. I'll have to do some trimming, but the girls and the roses will be on this tag. So the next time you see these tags, they'll have the ephemera on it, the embellishments. They'll have another tag attached to it, and a saying. I get the little sayings from the Small Talk Tim Holtz ideology pamphlet. So that's what I'll be using, and I will be going back and finishing this up so I can share it with all of you.